My name is Kimberly Holcomb. I will be doing my screencast for week 1, the user registration form. First of all, I created the actual form, which can be seen here. I just created a normal input fields for the text. For the password, as you can see, it is the dots like you would see on a normal registration page, so you can actually see the password that you're typing in. Once I got that completed and I went through and I actually started the coding for the back-end PHP to show the results of that page. First, I went in and I retrieved all of the input fields. I have my first name, my last name, my username. As far as the password, I used the MD5 hashing with the salting as well. I just used the SSL 0416, which is the class, and the month and year of the class, and then I brought in the password that was entered in. After that, I went and put in the info array using the key value pairs, first name, last name, username, and password, and as the password I brought in the hashed and salted password. After that, I have the avatar information, I have the folder that it is going to be going to, and then the actual file that will be saved. I have the avatar directory, and then the file that is actually brought in and uploaded. I then am moving the files to the uploaded, or the directory that it is supposed to be going to. And then you see here that I have the pseudocode for what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to echo out the information that's inside the info array and making sure that the password that is displayed is the encrypted, the hashed and salted password. And then I'm also going to be displaying the image inside the HTML. The way I did this is I had just a regular HTML page. Inside the body where I needed the PHP, I added the PHP opening and closing tags. I put in the for each info, which is the name of the array, as that is what I'll be using to actually output the information, and then a closing tag here, an opening paragraph tag, more PHP open and close tags with echo which would be the first name, and then the last name, and then the username, and then the password. It's kind of like the index. And then the closing paragraph tag, and then opening PHP and closing tag with the closing bracket inside that. After that, then I have the image with basically the same thing, just opening, closing PHP tag that'll allow me to put in that variable that is up here that I created with the name and directory that it'll be to, which is the path to the file. And that's how I did that. When I bring up the actual information and I click the create your account button, it brings up my name, my first and last name, the username, the hashed password, and the image that I uploaded. If I take this hashed password, copy it, and I put it into the crack station, and I go to try to crack it, you can see that they cannot find it, which is good. So that was my assignment for this, my homework assignment for this week. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you understood what I was trying to do, and I will see you guys next week.